One of the most anticipated game of the year, The Last of Us Part 2, is finally here, and here we have it. This is the collector's edition. So let's get right into it and unbox this. So first off, this collector's edition is humongous. It took me so long to bring this home because it's so heavy and it's so big. And on the cover, we have Ellie, our main character of this game, which is also the main character for the last game. And as you can see, she's all bloody, all beat up. And throughout the game, we're definitely gonna find out what happened to her. And also, a friendly reminder, this game is 18+, so if you are not 18 yet, don't play it yet, I guess. So alright, let's open this. Oh god, this is gonna be hard. How am I gonna take this out? Okay. Ooh! Whew. Whoa. So, alright, are you ready? Whoa! Ooh, okay. Now this is nice. First off, the first thing we see is the art book right here, and also the steel case for the game. So let's take this out. So like any other collector's edition, it comes with an art book of the game with the characters and the settings and the monsters. Pretty looking art. So underneath the art book is the thank you letter from Naughty Dogs, which is the company that made this game. So basically they're talking about their vision for this game and thanking us for supporting them and embarking them on this journey with them. Personally, I like this more than any other merchandise that comes with this collector's edition because I feel like the company do care about their fans. So I really like this little thank you note right here. So on to the next. Okay, next up we have the steel case. And we have Ellie over here, our main character, and this woman here, I don't know who she is, but I guess we'll find out when we play the game. It's your typical steel case from any other PlayStation games. And open up, we have the disc and the download vouchers, DLC codes right here. So let's set this aside. On to the next layer of the collector's edition, we have a pack of The Last of Us and Naughty Dog stickers. And this one here is pretty interesting. I think this is a tattoo on Ellie. It's a butterfly with some flowers, leaves. I'm pretty sure it's something iconic from the game, and we will again find out when we actually play the game. And this is the bracelet that Ellie wears in the game. Let's open this up. And here's the bracelet, so I'm gonna wear this when I play the game. And we have 6 pins over here as well. We have the Last of Us logo, the Naughty Dogs, and we have butterfly and the wolf and some knives. I'm pretty sure there's something iconic from the game, so we'll find out when we play the game. All these little tiny merchandises other than the game are just side dishes to this collector's edition. And here we have it, the main dish of the collector's edition, the Ellie figurine. And alright, here we go. I can still smell the plastic. It's so fresh. Wow. Oh, yo, that's so cool. Whoa. It's actually really, really nice. Wow. This is so awesome. Holy crap. And the details on the clothes, on the hair is actually pretty amazing. There's so much details on the jeans and on the clothes and on the guitar as well. And this is just pretty awesome. And Here we have it, Ellie wearing the bracelet right here. And this is the reason why the collector's edition is so big, so humongous. It's because of this figurine right here. Other than the really nice looking details on the jeans and on the shirt and on the bag, everything else seems pretty unfinished, especially the floor, the rocks, and these leaves over here. There's basically just one single color. They didn't really painted the highlights and the shadows in there. And on the face too, like everything seems pretty flat. And the blood on her face and the bruises on her arms, they look really just painted on it. Like it doesn't feel like it's real. And I have got to say this is somewhat disappointing. But then overall, when you just have the figurine sitting on the table, like first glance it looks awesome. But then when you look into the finer details, it's a little bit disappointing, to be honest. It's not the worst, but then it's definitely not the greatest. So in general, the whole collector's edition includes the Ellie figurine, the pins, the stickers, the art book, the thank you letter from Naughty Dogs, the steel case with the game and download codes, and lastly, the bracelet right here. So in general, this collector's edition has pretty much everything that you would expect from a collector's edition. The art book, a steel case, some stickers, and a figurine. But then the most important part of the whole entire thing is the actual game itself right here. So other than the collector's edition that we have right here, there are actually two more other additions to this game. One of them is called the special edition, which actually includes only the steel case, and I think one of the stickers or the thank you note or the art book is either one of them. And then the other one is the one that I actually really wanted, but then it's so limited I couldn't get a hold of it. It's called Ellie's edition. It's pretty much the same thing as this collector's edition right here, but then it also comes with a life-size backpack of what Ellie wears in the game, and also a vinyl disc soundtrack of the game, which is something I really wanted, but then it's actually so limited I couldn't even pre-order it. And so ladies and gentlemen, this is it. This is The Last of Us Part 2 Collector's Edition.